always wanted to work really hard, and all my dad would talk about is like work hard at something. And he'd come into my room every day and he'd be like, why aren't you doing anything? Like, what are you doing with your life? And I'm like, I don't know where to work hard. Like where do you start working hard? Like, where do you start building Legos? I just never understood that concept. And I think that's where a little bit of like luck and the right timing comes along. And that's where I started making videos on the app Vine.
Yes.
And I felt like that was kind of like my ticket to like the entertainment world in one way or another. So when that came around, I was like, okay, this is my chance to work hard, and I'll never go out of my way to make something that I don't actually enjoy.
Got it.
So that part never bothers me. It is sometimes surprising to see like what like pops off on social media, like what other people will post, but I'm always like very much like doing what I want to do. And I think that's kind of the key to it, is like if you're being authentic with yourself, then people will be able to recognize that, and they'll be having fun with you, and they'll see the enjoyment you're having doing it, and they'll all have fun.